What's going on, nature and family? Mike here, back with another adventure. Today we're here at my secret waterfall location, and if you remember, I was here last winter when I first discovered it, and it was an unbelievably beautiful waterfall, which I'm going to turn around and show you in a second. But on today's adventure, we're going to be climbing up above the waterfall and going up creek to see if that takes us to any more waterfalls. I've been dying to know what's above it. So we have perfect temperature, day off of work today, so figured let's get after it, see what's above the waterfall. So if you guys are ready, I'm going to turn you around, show you the secret waterfall, and we'll begin our journey. So I want to say thank you guys for following me along on all my adventures, and if you're not subbed, hit that button down below, become part of the Nature and Family. Creeping up on 1,000 strong, and I love every one of you guys. You guys are awesome to talk to, chatting the compliments, and give me my motivation to keep on going, doing these hikes and adventures. So with that being said, let's turn it around and get this adventure started, guys. So here we are at the location of my secret waterfall area. Haven't really told many people about this location, as I will love to keep it as anonymous as possible. But I mean, we're out here, these beautiful surroundings. Again, it's great to see everything all nice and green with spring coming in. Well, let's turn around and I'll give you your glimpse of this gorgeous waterfall, guys. Again, when I found this back in, I want to say December, January, I was literally blown away by it. I mean, I've never heard of it, never seen this before, but it is my favorite waterfall to come and visit. So here you go, guys. Ready? I'll give you a nice slow pan up. Now look at this beautiful waterfall, guys. We're out here maybe 15, 20 minutes in the woods hiking, away from everybody. And here we are. Again, I don't believe this waterfall has a name, but this is an amazing area. As you can see, we have the cliff faces, which if you've been watching my videos, when I returned here in the winter, there were giant icicles hanging from the top of there. But we had a ton of rain this morning, so I wanted to get down here and check the flow. But just look how gorgeous this is, guys. Incredible. And even coming up trail a little bit, there's this cave area that I showed before. Perfect if it starts to rain, or if you just want to get some shade. But yeah, this is it. This is my beautiful secret waterfall. And I mean, it looks so much more enchanting now with all the green. Just incredible. But this is just the start. I'm gonna get up on top and I will get us some better views, looking over top, and we will continue our journey all the way upstream, guys. All right, naturing family, we just left our cave area here. Again, we're so close to this beautiful waterfall. I hate to leave it, but we have to see what comes up ahead. So this is our trail we're gonna have to take to go up to the trail, and that's quite steep climb up there. So I'm gonna pause you, put my gimbal in my backpack, and we're gonna climb up to the top of this hill, and we'll get you some views looking over the top of the waterfall. Well, we made it up our steep cliff area here, and now we are directly above the waterfall, guys. Got a beautiful view and perspective looking at the top. I mean, here's just a little shot looking over the edge, and just such a beautiful area, guys. Absolutely beautiful. And it's nice and flat up here, easy to traverse. But here we are, right above the secret waterfall, guys. And just look at the view. Just spectacular. But this is what made me want to continue on. The creek carries all the way upstream with, it looks like, a nice vertical climb. So what we're gonna do is follow the stream all the way up, and let's see if we could get some other little waterfalls or maybe some nice pools to check out. So let's go, guys. We're gonna carry on this adventure, so follow me. Just another shot, just looking right over. Just beautiful views, guys. Beautiful views. So here we are, nature and family, right above the secret waterfall. We just got in for a nice close look. Beautiful pool below us. But now we're gonna turn our attention to the main stream and follow it right up creek. So let's go, guys. It's looking promising, so fingers crossed we get something good. Well, nature and family, we just left the major fall, my secret waterfall, right here, and right now we are going to be continuing upstream, hopefully finding out if there are any more waterfalls ahead. And already, straight ahead of me, we already got a nice little fall, and it looks like a beautiful slide feeding it. And again, we just had some very heavy rains this morning. That's why the water has a little cloud to it. I mean, it was pouring this morning. But just look at this. Just a few steps above the secret waterfall, we have this gorgeous waterfall right here, tearing down. Amazing. You have the nice beautiful moss, again highlighting everything with that very bright green. Just beautiful. And coming up, we have a gorgeous slide here. Just so pretty here. Here's a look up the slide here, coming over this very beautiful bedrock here. Very flat. And again, just take a look at this view here. Wow, guys. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I'll go down and get a little closer to this fall here. But this is beautiful. Such a really nice area. And this is what I was hoping for, guys. I was hoping to get some slides, some more waterfalls. Just incredible. And look how high, or look how far, I should say. This slide goes. Wow, can you imagine, guys? A little bit more flow. You set up an inner tube and just tear down this. Wow, guys. So happy I wanted to continue this journey upstream. I'm just going to try to stay a little further away this time of the edge. I don't want to have another mishap and slide in, but it's just amazing, all these views I'm seeing here. I just love how the rocks go down as like nice little steps. And again, more of that beautiful moss, just brightening everything up. But just beautiful, guys. But again, just nice clean water. Love it, guys. Absolutely love it. So, wow. Coming all the way up this stream. Looks like I came up to a trail here. Don't know where this leads. But yeah, this looks like it runs parallel to the stream. I'm gonna see how far I could walk up without trouble before I decide to jump off and take a side trail. So let me pause you here and I'll continue this video when I get up just a little further upstream. Well, Natric family, I'm standing here middle of the creek, just taking in these beautiful views here. And I mean, so far, that gorgeous slide, that little waterfall leading from the Secret Fall has been all right in my books. We're gonna continue on. And I mean, this journey is, so far in my books, just right. Gorgeous temperature, we get to get through the water, stay nice and cool. But let's turn around and continue on, heading upstream. So here we are, just out in the middle of the creek. Just enjoying the coolness it's bringing. And we're heading all the way upstream to see where this takes us. Finally hit a little peaceful part It's just like a slow roll here. We'll climb out and keep moving on, guys. Here we are still continuing the journey upstream. Just got to another nice pool area. I mean, these are deep little spots here. Easily go to your knees and wow. Look at this gorgeous little area here. All covered, canopied with trees. Just sliding down on this rock slope. No giant falls yet upstream so far, but we do have tons of beautiful little ones. And lots of slides. Incredible. But I'm gonna have to climb up this mess a little bit and I'll return back in a few seconds, guys. Well, naturing family, you're never gonna believe this. As I was coming upstream, I looked up to my right hand side and I noticed this pretty weird looking structure or man-made building that I had to go over and take a look at. And looks like somebody had quite the camp out set up here, guys. I'm gonna flip the camera around and give you a little look ahead. So now that we're turned around, I'm gonna give you a good glimpse of this little cabin, lean shelter, whatever you wanna call it. But look at this. They built steps going up to it. And here's what's left. I mean, might not look like much on camera, but you have either firewood or different logs to build your structure. I don't even know what this would be. I mean, it's tied up with vine. Don't know what that could be. We have a work stump with a cheap knife and a shovel with some bullet holes through it. And then here we have the bark leaning over, covering it in. We have what looks like to be the doorway with a plastic coupling to make a doorway to go to the other side. You have your tarp here, your gas, your grate, citronella. He has water, your little camping stool. You have a full fireplace here. There's your torch. And I mean, this was a pretty large size bunker. I mean, you have your fireplace there, which vents out to the back. And I mean, this was secluded, guys. Container of gas. Looks like there's tin foil and food back there. And I mean, this was an extensive build. I mean, you could tell they put some time into here. Everything's all tied up. Looks like it just rotted and caved in. Looks like this part fell forward. That section's tipped over. But I just had to show you guys because I thought that was pretty incredible and creepy at the same time. Just to come across that maybe an hour into the woods without anybody around here. But again, look at the steps that they built. Put the stones there so you could just walk right on them. Again, there it is. You can see all the stuff still tied to the trees. That's cool and sketchy all at the same time. But we're gonna get back in this water and keep going upstream, guys. So we've been hiking for a good amount of time out here. And just beautiful slides everywhere. I'm hoping to catch at least one giant fall up here. I don't know though, as I go up further and further, just as I say that, guys, you've got to be kidding me. Wow. As soon as I say it, that's awesome. This is incredible. Wow. Here we are, guys. Let me pause you here, and I'll get you a little bit closer when I get past this fallen tree. Well, naturing family, as I was just talking about how I want to see at least one more little fall before I call it on this stream. Look at this. Wow. Looks like the end of a dam or a reservoir. Wow. Wow, guys. So look at all that stone here. Wow, guys, awesome find here. So cool. Look at that, just spilling right over. Absolutely incredible to see. I'm gonna climb up a little bit further and just see what's on top of this beautiful little spill off waterfall here. So stay tuned, guys. We're gonna get up on top here. So guys, here we are looking out right over the top of this little dam. It's a beautiful spot, and we still continue to go upstream. Don't know what could be further, but we'll take it till we can't take it anymore. And look at this. We have the old workings here for this little dam. Wow. Look at this thing here too. Made out of wood. The concrete here, I would imagine this would have opened and closed and could have let the flow of water change. But yeah, this is a old structure, not structure, or old piece of engineering, I guess you could say. Look at those teeth on there. Still standing. Absolutely incredible. But we're gonna keep moving along, find out where we go. But gorgeous little spot here. Another gorgeous pool, dammed up. Wow, guys, I'm absolutely loving this. I did not expect all this Just beautiful. And it just seems like it never ends. How long is this stream? Into another long slide. This might be the world's longest slide. Seems like this whole creek, it just slides down a whole strip of bedrock. So naturing family, had to take you off course a little bit. We had to take this path here away from the creek that sits right in here. There was just no way I could have hiked all the way through it. But look at this, guys. We have waterfalls. We found a little cabin hidden in the woods. Look at this, guys. This is where we end up. Absolutely beautiful. Look at this pan view. Beautiful blue skies, gorgeous clouds. Absolutely unbelievable, guys. Let me get back up and I'll get you a good glimpse of what's on top here. I'm gonna hold on, I'll bring you back when I get to the top of this little reservoir here. So here we are, just making our way up to the top of this reservoir and just got a beautiful glimpse out over it. Wow, guys, the sky is something else today. Absolutely incredible. Love it here. But this is the view that our secret waterfall took us to. Just wow. It's a very strenuous hike to get here, the way I took it. But just look how amazing this is. Wow. That view, guys. How incredible is this? It's probably one of the nicest skies. Got the reflection going off the water. And we got a pretty nice sized reservoir here. All right, naturing family. Hope you enjoyed this hike all the way up the stream from my secret waterfall. Led me to a beautiful reservoir. Unbelievable weather. Sky's gorgeous. Temperatures are gorgeous. Scenery's gorgeous. Had an absolutely amazing time. I hope you guys did too. Again, we followed this creek all the way up to my secret waterfall. Then from there, we found an abandoned old camping hut. Came up a little further, which brought us to this beautiful reservoir. I mean, fantastic hike, extremely long and grueling. I'm soaked in wet and sweat, but it was absolutely worth it. I am having such a blast out here checking all this out. I'm definitely gonna be sitting by this reservoir for a little bit longer, taking pictures on my hike on the way back, so got bugs in my eyes. So if you're new to the channel, go ahead, hit that subscription button so you can come along on all these journeys with me and the rest of the naturing family. And I also have Facebook, Instagram. If you want to go ahead, check those out. Out Naturing, links are below in the description. Go check those out. Follow my daily content. I upload pictures and videos daily. So again, I want to thank everybody for hanging out today. Again, this is Mike from Out Naturing. Hope you enjoyed it.